carried me like a child and threw me out of his compound. That man embarrassed me. Hey, wait. Uche. Uche, how many times did I call you? Leave those people alone. They are a couple. Let them fight their fights. And what if he kills her? Killed her? Let him try it. Let him kill her. Then the family of the girl will deal with him. Hey, Jesus. He needs to, baby. He needs to come and see the embarrassment. Even this man, hey, I don't blame mama because I small and not talk. I make you just carry me anyhow. Hey, I'm warning you. Jesus. Leave them before they will use you and settle matter. I am telling you now. Anyway, I know I'm keeping quiet. If not because of Ebube, I would have dealt with that our so-called husband. I've said my own. No. I've said my own. I'm going. It's well. Okay, so
I'll be here tomorrow.
I'll be there. Okay, no problem. All right, so hey.
Cut that call. Get you cut that call. Oh, you have started. So you have started. You have started answering men's call. This girl. You see you. So you have started answering men's call. Tomorrow somebody will walk into my compound to tell me I want to marry your sister. By the time I give your hand in marriage, they will call police for me. Because the way you look, your husband will call army. Yes! Your husband will call army for me to come and beat me up. Listen, let me tell you, you're not getting married though. Yes, you're not getting married. Jebafom convent. You're entering Reverend Sister house. That is where you'll be.
No, I don't want to be Reverend Sister.
I am your father now. I will tell you what to do and what not to do. Hope is not out of gate that you are calling. Because by the time both of you end up, what you are going to give birth to is chimpanzee. Then why are you back? Why are you not in the shop? You left my shop to inform me alone. What time to eat? Hey, you want me to go poor? You want me to become poor? You came back here so that you answer call. You left my shop alone to inform so that everything I have there will finish. I got you. Madam, leave. Move to the shop. Move to the shop. Look at you. Move it.
So you are back?
No, Madam Emeka, I'm not back. I'm still in the city.
Hey! So this is how you be answering me now, Abi?
No, let me go and bring drinks. And appease you as Oracle to tell you that I'm back. So you did not hear that I nearly went to jail in the city?
Jail what?
Nga. Please, I'm not in the mood now. I'm not in the mood. If you want us to talk, come and sit down. This is what you should have asked. This is what a reasonable girlfriend should have asked the boyfriend before you start bombarding me with questions. Smell me now, you'll be smelling cell. Sit down if you want us to talk. If you don't want us to talk, please, I'm not in the mood. Sit down.
Mom, whatever happens, I'm not going to be happy with this girl here.
Because she cost everything. She cost it.
What did I cause? Why would I get brief commotion in this family? Why?
Amanda, it's alright. It's alright. Did you hear your brother? He said he knew this girl before. He's not doing this based on the king's proposal. You said he has your support. So what's happening?
Brother, I'm sorry. I was just angry, and that is it.
What kind of stupid anger was that? What kind of stupid anger was that? You know what is at stake. How can I lose a girl I've been dying for all this while in the city? I've been having sleepless nights because of this girl. Now she's in my house. You want another man to take her away from me? Under my nose. Mom, it's not going to happen.
It will not. Let us wait for the king to talk to her first. Okay? Okay, my son? Yeah? Okay.
Brother Fam, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Don't worry. I have called my friends. We are going to deal with him. He will see.
Better, because I don't understand. How will he be maltreating your sister and expect you to keep quiet?
You will see.
Emeka, what is going on here?
Informer, please. I don't have time for all this kind of talk. You know the mood I'm into now. I don't have strength. If you're here to give me work, please go back with your work. I'm not buying. Where is my key to my shop?
Your sister is there. Emeka, tell me, is this what you're saying to me?
No, I should have brought drinks to you. You left my shop to my sister alone. Or that's just sweet. Eh? Why are you shaking your mouth? What is inside?
Baby, let's go inside. Let me cook. Baby, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let me cook.
Grace, what's the meaning of this? You are looking for my trouble. Oh yeah, take your two legs. Get out from here.
I don't know about you. You should dog him, man. Oh, I should leave your father's compound, Abi. I should leave your father's compound. You should dog him, man. You must be stupid.
Grace, how did you find yourself here? What are you doing here? Emeka! Go where? Inside where? I will fight you. Get out from here. What is your problem now?
I am not fight
Emeka!
Fight me!
Hey!
Shut up!
If I roll you on the ground, I will use it to score, Emeka.
Chinwa, the thing is that I have always cared about you. My name Aaron. You don't know because I'm not the talking type. Listen, I know I don't show it sometimes, but you can see that I have been nice to you around the palace. I care about you. You know, just that sometimes I look at your face, you're always too serious, you don't let me talk. But now that I have gotten a chance, Mommy,
You see this, my son? Hey! He cares so much about, in fact, he's in love with you. So that is it, as he rightly said, he's a man of few words.
Yes, I'm not the talking type.
Yes.
But you know that I am the next king of this beautiful kingdom.
Yes.
And I can make life really easy for you. Be my woman. Listen, I can take care of you. As a matter of fact, I'd like for you to go back to school, get a master's, yes, so that you can measure up with very beautiful women like you in the society.
Exactly.
Mom, I have an idea. Mom, something just came to mind. How about we give her own quarters here?
Wonderful.
Yes, your own quarters. You don't have to be treated like one of the maids anymore. You get your own quarters, you stop dressing this way, we get even the cook to serve you, we make life very easy for you. That way you begin to get used to royalty and begin to prepare yourself to be my queen when I become the next king.
The exact word. Forget the fact that Avam said he met you sometime, somewhere, I don't know. That is not the issue now. The issue is exactly what he said.
Be my queen.
Much more.
Be my queen.
Oh.
What do you have to say?
I don't know what to say. In fact, I have nothing to say. But about Afam, I know him. I met him when I was in school. Yes.
You see,
we talked a few times. But I am not his girlfriend.
Oh, you're not? Okay.
True.
You're not his girlfriend?
He's here intimidating me. Hey.
My queen. Please, don't feel bad. I will talk with him. I will.
Choma, you know I can build your parents a house. Oh yes, I can build them a very beautiful mansion, portable. I'll paint it white.
Like here?
It becomes outstanding in your village. I want to make you royalty. I want you to stand head and shoulders above your peers. I want to make you the envy of every woman in this community. All you have to do is to accept and be mine. Listen, I also have some friends that will like your friends. I have some friends that you like to mingle with.
Yes.
You did go vacation before. I like to take you to Paris during summer. You know you have 4 seasons in a year. But you know space. Let me come into your life and explain to you. Mommy the goodies that we have set aside for her.
Just look at me to give you an idea of what we're talking about.
What do you have to say?
My prince. Please, can I think about this?
You don't think about beautiful offers like this. For starters, you and I can travel to Cape Verde. It's a waterfront that you will enjoy.
Exactly.
You go bikini before. You don't understand it.
Just
Choma, allow me.
Just allow her. You know, she's not used to this kind of offers. Just give her time to think about it. But don't be deceived by the fact that somebody has met you before or something like that. It doesn't work in relationship. What works is exactly what he has said now. Right? Everything is fine.
Before the end of today, I shall send you a beautiful package, a little gift. So that you understand exactly what I'm talking about.
Of course.
And I also want you to know that I have friends that are willing to be friends with you.
Guy, you don't mean this.
I'm telling you, my man. Once I present this document to them, guy.
More money to our bank account. Chad! Collins. I tell you. Collins! Hey! Do you know what 100 million naira can do in my life right now? That means I will go straight to the village and complete my house, back here in the city, and build new house my tenants. Chad!
Guy, calm down, Just chill. I have mailed them already. As soon as they approve the document, guy, you go out so. I tell you. I put this body Dikeh. Odogu.
Collins! Let's toast to this.
Oh, I didn't tell you. Let's go, More money.
More money.
I didn't tell
More
you.
money. More money. See, are you telling me now that?
I don't want you to lose. I want you to win.
Mother, I do not see myself getting married to that girl.
In as much as that girl is a maid, to tell ourselves the truth, she's beautiful. We can even make her the best woman for you, my son.
How about Mildred? What do I do with her?
Invite her. I'll talk to her, we'll settle her.
What, that simple?
That's simple. Perfect. We are winning. So tell the maid to prepare the empty room. That is where she's going to be staying from now. That was our promise to her.
Good. Brother, I know she's a commoner and it worries you. But don't worry. I'm a slayer. I'm a slave mama. I will teach her every. I will make her the kind of woman you want, okay? All you have to do is to make your father the king happy. And he will leave his throne for you in peace.
Don't say that. The throne is already mine.
No?
I'm the heir. I'm the first son.
No, my son. If your father decides to give the throne to Afam, your brother, we cannot fight it. And you cannot fight it because he is the king. My son. Now you have to do what you need to do to get what you need.
What have I done? Oh, what have I done? Can somebody tell me? Oh, I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Can somebody tell me what I have done? Oh, I have no intention of hurting anybody. I, from the left and the right, all I feel is bitterness. Tears and sorrow is the order of the day. And somebody tell me what have I done?
Choma, you're here.
Deserve this punishment.
My princess.
Sometimes I feel.
Please, I'm begging you. Don't insult me again. I'm sorry. I haven't done anything wrong to you or your family. I'm sorry, Choma. I didn't come to talk bad. I came to apologize to you about what I said earlier. Yes. I didn't mean to say that. Just that what is happening now, I don't like it. I felt you were the reason for it. I'm sorry. Please. Well, the thing is that you never liked me. And it's good. My own is that I am here to work. And definitely one day, I will live here. Oh, Joanna. Don't say that, please. Just see me as your sister. I mean well for you now, please.
My princess, I greet you. Chioma, I was looking for you. Igor wants to see you in the sitting room now.
Let me see the king. We can talk later.
What have I done? Oh, what have I done? Can somebody tell me why? Oh, I'm sure I've done nothing wrong. Can somebody tell me what I have done wrong? Oh, I have no intention of hurting anybody. From the left and the right, all I feel is bitterness. Tears and sorrow is the order of the...
I greet you, my king.
Chioma, how are you?
I'm fine, my king. How are you doing?
I'm okay. Please sit down. I want us to talk.
Somebody tell me why? Oh, I'm sure I've done nothing wrong.
Listen. I want you to start seeing yourself as a member of this palace. Right from the moment you walked into this palace, I started seeing you as a member of this family. I liked you. The way you do your job with diligence and happiness. Though I have not had time to sit with you and to talk, but I know that I have developed this daughter-father relationship towards you.
Thank you very much, my king. You're a true father. Ever since I started working in this palace, I work for you with so much joy because you're a good man.
God bless you, my daughter. God bless you.
Thank you.
I want you to do this for me. I want you to be my daughter-in-law. My sons, I want both of you to know that I am happy in a way. Not because we are fighting, but that I am going to be the father-in-law to that maiden. I have always liked her. And I felt it's not bad for me to ask any of my sons to marry her.
Well, Father, if you'll allow me, I would suggest that since it is clear enough that both of your sons are interested in this said maiden, that you do the right thing, Father.
Which is?
That you ask your youngest son here to step down for your senior son, who is clearly the heir apparent to the throne, Father. That's what I'll suggest.
I will not do that. Over my dead body.
Then be ready to die, Afam. Because not in this lifetime will not allow you to take Choma. It won't happen.
Afam, she told me that both of you knew in the city.
Oh, thank God she told you that. Thank you, Dad.
She also went on to tell me that both of you had nothing. She went on to tell me that Chima has told her what he feels towards her.
Thank you, Father. Thank you very much, Dad.
Dad, see, I and this girl, we've been on this before she left school to come here to work. We lost contact. Fortunately for me, I met her again in this palace. Dad, please, what I want you to do now is to tell your son to free her so we can continue from where we stopped.
You sound like a stand-up comedian, Afam. You're joking.
I think what I'm going to do is to bring her before both of you so that she will make her choice. Whoever she chooses, the other will have to free her.
Dad?
Father, this is the best call you have made. I'm with you on this one. Let the maiden choose. And it will be settled.
What? You? To marry one of the prince?
I can't believe it. That was what the king told me. He was even begging me. And Prince Chima told me something similar to this. This is not possible. I don't get it. How come? This is why they became nice to me all of a sudden. Oh.
Even when we have been here before you?
Anna, is that what bothers you? Are you jealous of me?
Me? Jealous of you? Why? What for? Please, I am not jealous of you.
You know what I think Kilga's problem is? You both are obviously, what do they call it? Envious of me. That's it. That's the word. Great. But in your own case, they call it Oburupoto. Inborn. They gave birth to you with jealousy. But there's no problem. You can have any of the prince if you wish. Because my major concern is to make money, go back to school, become a lawyer, then go back to my village and deal with those my uncles that sent us away. That's what bothers me. So, you can have any of them. No problem. Why are you looking at me like that?
Queen.
There is no way I will sleep in this bed tonight. Because I do not want you both to. You definitely.
What? You?
Mama, yes, so me. That is why I sneaked out this morning to come and see you. Mama, what do we do?
Chai! Chineke. How can this double favor come to a poor widow like me and her daughter? Chioma, this must be God's handwork. Yes! It is God's handwork. Now listen to me, my daughter. You cannot judge a book by its cover. Mba. This is the time that you have to be very careful and make a very good choice. Calm down. Look at the two of them and make your choice. Oh?
Mama. Mama, the thing is, I'm confused. I'm confused. So, I want you to advise me. Because Prince Afami is nice, but I don't know him too well. And Prince Chima, he used to be harsh towards me, but he's a changed person now.
Chioma, this is the time you wrap that confusion and throw it away. Yes. Look at the two of them carefully and pick one. So calm down and make a very good choice in Anuife Neku. That is the advice. Don't play any pranks here, Chioma. I know you too well.
You're the God of us wonders. I testify your powers.
Joy, where is Joy? Good evening, Your Majesty. I have not seen her this morning, my queen.
Where could she be this morning?
I don't know, ma.
Joy, where is Chama?
Good morning, my queen. I don't know her whereabouts, my queen.
Go now and get her for me. Now!
Okay, ma.
Joy, don't move. Nega, did you not see me there? You mean you didn't notice that I'm still talking with her?
So? I'm afraid.
Joy, if you step an inch, I'll tear you apart now.
See who's talking. Tina, don't make me feel worse than I feel right now. Because I feel like giving you a face a dirty slap.
What did I hear you say?
You heard me right.
If you dare lay your dirty hand on my face, I will tear you to pieces.
I can see you looking for who to kill you. Don't you dare me. Hey! Go and look for who I sent you to go and look for. Right now before I slap that your miserable face.
Joy, don't try it. If you dare me, I will kill you before I sack you from this palace.
I can see you're looking for who to kill you. You can keep your miserable carcass even in this water. Rubbish. Excuse me.
Hey! These people want to kill me in this palace, oh.
Joy, go this one. If you go, I'll slap you. Joy, go that way. If you go,
I will kill you.
I'm tired of all this. I'm tired. It is no longer funny. It's no longer funny.
My daughter, I have told you. Let's just keep on praying. I know my God will do it for us. Pico.
Mama, it isn't about God though. It's not about God anymore, Mama. Here. With the way I'm seeing things, I'll run away. Oh. I'll run away, Mama.
Sister, no, how can you run away? You just have to be with them, Nancy.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
Chioma, you will do no such thing. Yes. You won't dare. You just... I have told you. Who's coming?
My space, Safa, eh? I don't like this, so I don't like this.
Wait. Let's hear what he has to say. Let's hear what he has to say.
Mama, good day.
You're welcome, my prince.
Greetings, my prince.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Greetings,
I'm fine.
my prince.
Thank you, my dear.
Greetings, my prince.
Chama, how are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here now?
I should be asking you that. I'm here to see Mama. When did you leave the palace? Mama, please help me ask her if I've wronged her in any way.
My prince, can we talk? Chioma, go to the palace.
Mama, no, just let her. I will drop her off to the palace.
My prince, don't worry. I will trek.
Yeah. Chioma.
Amanda, what are we not taking for you to insult my mother?
And I'm not insult her! Let me tell you all, whatever you want in this palace, I'm ready! Yes!
Be ready to die. Be ready to hang yourself if you want to die.
That's your
You are already dead.
Oh, you don't want war! Where do you want war? And that war you shall get! Why
You see, if you have given me the chance then, all this wouldn't have happened.
How would I have known? Eh? How would I have known?
You have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. My brother wants to marry you because my father said that whoever marries you is going to inherit half of his wealth.
What?
What are you saying?
Yes. And that's why he's fighting me. You see, I've loved you even before now.
My prince, I don't really care why he wants to marry me. The only thing I care about is if the man loves me. So, if he loves me in his own way, then there's no problem. After all, he used to be harsh towards me, but now he's a changed person.
My father said you're going to make a choice between two of us. Chima, please. I want you to choose me.
I cannot choose you. I cannot. Your sister doesn't like me. She's always tormenting me. I don't want to suffer. I don't want to suffer.
Chama, stop.
Chama! Chama!
Mama, don't worry. I'll meet her out.
No.
Mama. Hey.
Hi.
Okay.
Your sister.
Okay.
Your sister.
Nemeka, I think I've missed my period.
Eh? Hey, Miss Period.
What do you mean? Miss Period. Mrs. Broadcaster. Oh yeah. Go inside. Come on with my friend. Will you get inside? Your senior brother is talking with his girlfriend. You're there listening. Go inside and fly away.
Congrats.
Fly away like Peter. Nonsense. You say you miss your period. Others are missing their flight and you're missing your period. Are you not shameful? Eh? Are you not shameless?
Nemeka, you're not getting me. You don't understand what I'm saying. I think I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant. Oh. Chineke nna kede. Ana akukwa keba. Congratulations. So you are not going to be a mother very soon. You'll be a mother very soon.
Hey, Nemeka, I don't want to keep this pregnancy. I want to remove it.
You don't want to keep the pregnancy, you want to remove it. Throw it away. You want to remove it. Eh? You want to abort it. It's not on my head. My ear is so holy to hear such info. So don't even tell me that.
Nemeka, what are you saying now? My mother will kill me.
Your mother will kill you. It's better your mother kill you so that you die with the child. So they will say a girl die out of pregnancy. That for you to remove the child. What did the child do to you?
You're not being serious. You don't understand what I'm saying. All I want now is for you to give me money. Let me go and remove it. That's what I want.
Give you money. If you want me to give you money for cream, I will. If you want me to give you money for chin and sweet, I will. But for me to give you money to abort an innocent child, no. I'm not that such a bad person.
Why are you shouting it? Everybody's hearing it.
So that when you are passing on the road, people will see you and be calling you Nenwa. What do you mean?
Mom, you know, I feel it would be best if for a change, I go get her myself, bring her back to the palace. What do you think?
It's a good idea. She's in her mother's house. At least that will give you an edge over everyone else.
Right.
My angel. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come, baby. Come, my angel. Yeah.
Greetings, how are you?
I'm fine, my queen. Greetings, my friend.
Hey, stop that. What is it? I've warned you several times to let her be. She's mine. Let her be.
He's so crude.
You're losing your mind and you're asking for trouble. And you're going to get what is coming for you very soon. You're looking for trouble.
Do not get me mad.
I shouldn't get you mad.
Don't you ever get me crazy. Do you understand? You want to know, right?
What would you do?
You want to know what I'll do?
How far you have suddenly lost respect for your senior.
I'll deal with you.
So what do you want us to do now? Let us discuss.
Let's get married.
Marriage? Is that what is in your mind? Eh? You should have said it since. You should have told me that you miss your flight or you miss your period because you want to get married. No, welcome. Listen, let me tell you, I don't have money now. I'm telling you that I'm still battling how to settle my sister and her husband in the city. And you're talking about marriage. Please, I don't have that chance.
Baby, you know I love you so much.
That is not what I'm talking now.
My baby. Good morning.
Bam. You don't want to go yourself. It was more time now you tell me that you are pregnant. I don't want.
Emeka, you don't want me to hug you because of this fool here, Abi?
Biko, I am not in this mood. You don't know what I'm battling within myself. I'm not in this mood, please. Please.
Anyway, Emeka, I want us to talk.
Talk?
And it's very important.
Whatever it is, my ear is very wide. Talk it, I'm listening. Listen, let me tell you. I don't have time. If it's money that you want to, I don't have it. I don't have kobo now.
Emeka, it's not money. For days now, I've not seen my period.
You have not seen your period? Who opened the gate? Hey, and I made promo. So it becomes festival of pregnancy, festival of missing period. Or CWO meeting, gathering of awaiting mothers. Is all right? You are welcome. You are welcome fully. And you too, you are pregnant. Combination of mothers meeting. What gathering? Who opened the gate of pregnancy? Who opened the gate and you came out? No. Clap for yourself.
What is all this? Don't you know that you are in the palace? I don't want this to happen again. Otherwise, I will declare that none of you will marry her.
My king, please say it.
No, my dear. I know you may not be happy the way I spoke to both of them. It's because I care so much about you. And that is why I want one of them to marry you. Please be my daughter-in-law. Or will you not like to be?
My king, I would love to. It will be an honor to be your daughter-in-law.
Then choose right here and now amongst my sons. Who would you like to be with? Please do not say no.
What? Choose?
Choma.
Guards! Guards!
Choma.
Baby, it's okay now. She said you love me.
Did I tell you to be pregnant? I said I love you. Did I tell you to be pregnant?
Baby, I'm the first to tell you that I'm pregnant.
And so what? Eh?
No problem. You see what I'm saying? No problem. I said no problem.
Who's my man? Alpha, what is going on here now?
There's a problem. A very big problem. Alome.
Are we not going to the city again today?
No, which city? I am telling you that these two women here, they are pregnant for me.
What? Hey! Aro!
What have I done? What will I do if this poor girl dies?
She will not. Igwe, don't bother yourself. Remember your health.
Your Majesty, calm down. Nothing will happen to her. She'll be fine. Just that if Afam had allowed my son to marry this girl, all this trouble wouldn't have come up. He caused this problem.
Oh, don't start.
Don't start. Oh, shut up, right?
Don't get me angry, Neka.
I'm sorry. It's all my fault. I started all this. Huh? God help me to help that poor girl.
Don't blame yourself. You didn't do anything wrong. She'll be fine, trust me.
my guy, my guy.
Yes. Look, Collins, I am very, very happy. I am very, very happy, yes. I'm very happy. I am coming to the bar right away. After this call, I will go upstairs and change the come and meet you. Tell BC to arrange some, some guests for us so that we can. Tonight is lockdown. Yes, oh brother, BP low. Yes, we need those girls to arrange some BP low. Now that I'm into money, I must live like that. Don't worry, I'll call you later. Yeah, I'll call you later. Look at this stupid woman that calls herself my wife. You are disturbing the calls. Look, now that I, John, am into money, I'm going to marry another woman. Now, John is a big man. I will show you Pepe. Hey, let me go and dress her. Have fun.
Where is Masabi?
She's in Wabusa.
Go and call her for me.
Okay, sir.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay. How is she?
She's fine. I've taken her samples to the lab. Once it's out, I will let you know.
So are you saying I should go or wait?
That depends on you. You can stay, or you go and come back later. The result will be out in 2 hours' time.
Okay, I will then. Alright, let me sit down.
Musa.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I have finished washing the car.
Okay, that's nice. Your mother is not yet back.
Yes, sir.
So all she does is to leave this house in the morning to go and gossip. Okay. Anyway, if she comes back, tell her I've gone out to hang out with my friends. Okay? In case she asks you.
Okay, sir.
When someone says I love you, you must be ready to carry the sacrifice that comes with love. 'Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you, many will say I need you, but only one
She wasn't an occultic woman. How can she just die like
what says that to them?
What happened to her? I don't know. We just saw her.
Jesus! Hey, baby!
You know her? Madam, do you know her? Madam, do you know her?
No.
Who's a call? Do you know this? Is the number going through? Keep calling. Something like this. Please keep calling. Keep calling. Pick your call. Pick your call. What are we going to do now?
Hello? 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 Hello, how are you? Who is this? She told you to call me? Yes? You said what? Where are you right now? Where are you? Okay. I'm coming there. I'm coming there.
When someone says I love you, you must be ready to carry the sacrifice that comes with love. Cause love is responsibility. Many will say I love you, and many will say I need you, but only what they want.
Yes, I've given her some drugs to help her calm down. And she may be like this for a while. And I would advise that both of you should please go and allow her to rest. She was in so much pain earlier.
Doctor, what exactly is the problem?
I cannot ascertain for now. Have conducted a test on her. Till the result is out, that's when I will know what is wrong with her and how to treat it.
Doctor, we are worried. And we're hoping that she'll be alright.
Yes, I pray so. But you know, we cure, but God heals.
That's understandable.
Excuse me.
Please, sir.
Yes.
We may leave now. The patient needs rest.
Thank you.
Can I stay? You know, maybe very soon she'll be awake and someone needs to be around when she wakes up.
Don't worry, sir. I will take care of her.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Many will say I love you, and many will say I need you, but only what they want.
Oh, she's still sleeping. It's alright. Okay, what? Chima, please stay there. Don't come back here. Stay there till she wakes up and sees you. That's a sacrifice. I beg you, just don't come back. Don't worry. My son, you're doing this for your good. Trust me. Okay, thanks. Bye. Take care of yourself. She must stop. Mom, what did he say?
He said she's sleeping. I believe she will be fine.
Just believe she will be fine. You guys coming? Who's there? Oh.
My queen.
Yes.
So
someone is there to see Prince Chima.
Who's that?
The lady that came the other day.
Oh, that's Mildred. Please take her to the living room downstairs. I'll be with her shortly.
Okay, my queen.
Excuse me. Mom, are you sure she will accept this offer? She has no choice.
Honestly, I am tired. I am tired of the dramas going on in this palace. I have had enough.
Me, I am so irritated with everything that is going on here. This girl is always seeking for attention. A day cannot go by without Choma coming up with something new. Okay, see, today, she's in the hospital.
Anna.
What?
Are you thinking what I am thinking?
That she must have died in the hospital?
No! I think she's pregnant.
Pregnant? Joy, do you think it could be one of the princes that got her pregnant?
Prince Chima, of course. Who else has been running after her like a toad?
Prince Chima.
Hey! I did not say anything to you. Don't just get me involved.
Are you sure this girl is not using a charm on these people? No. That girl came in with a charm. Choma came into this palace with a charm. I regret bringing that girl in here. That girl must have used a charm. She must have used charm on these people.
Sit.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my queen.
I was actually the one that asked them to send for you.
Thank you, my queen. I hope all is well.
Sure, all is well. It's about you and my son.
Okay.
Your affairs with him can no longer hold.
What?
Yes. Mildred, I want to pay you off. Name your price, I pay you. You are happy, he is happy. So that you can leave him alone to marry the wife the father has chosen for him.
Madam,
Point
I think...
correction. My queen.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My queen... Madam, I don't even understand.
My queen. Where did you come from?
My queen, don't you think it would be wise if I sit here and wait for Chima, to get back and explain things better to me so I can understand?
You mean I've been talking nonsense all this while? I think I've had you long enough. It would be wiser for you to go outside the gate and wait for Chima to come tell you himself. Excuse us.
The result doesn't look good. She has a bad kidney. And due to advancement in science...
Doctor, are you sure what you're talking about?
Yes. She has a bad kidney.
She has a bad kidney.
She urgently needed kidney transplant.
Doctor, how much will it cost to do the transplant immediately?
Doctor, I really don't care how much it costs. Right. Get it done and I'll pay for it.
It's not about the money. It's about the donor.
Well then, what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead. Find someone who is going to be a donor and willing to pay whatever it would cost. Let's have the transplant done.
Looking for a donor will take time. It can take 6 months, 1 year. So I prefer you look for someone that is close to her, or maybe loved one that can donate for her.
Chili, you want me to do what?
To donate your kidney and prove to her that you love her.
I don't love her. I love my father. And that is why I agreed to this whole arrangement in the first place, to please the king and not the maid.
That is the spirit. The same thing we are both talking about. Chima, all you need to do is to play along. No one will know your intentions. Why don't you think about it?
You want me to think about it? Is this how low and desperate you've gotten over this matter? That you want your only son to risk his life over material acquisitions? Really?
No. I want my son to marry a girl in order to please his father, my own husband. I don't want Tina and her children to take the love of my husband from me.
I see.
Think about it. Just think.
I'm going to make some calls later and either find someone who's willing to donate a kidney or somewhere where we can buy one.